Let's start with this multiplication, 2 times 3, that I now want to multiply by 4. So I want to have 4 times these two groups of 3. And I see that it's 4 times the number 2 times 3, that is 4 times 6. Now I can also form a single rectangle like this. I get a rectangle of dimensions 2 and 4 times 3 equals 12. So I went from 2 groups of size 3 to 2 groups of size 4 times 3 equals 12. So the size of the groups has been here multiplied by 4. And finally, I can also form a rectangle in this way that is of dimensions 3 and here 4 times 2, 8. So I now have 8 groups of 3. The number of groups has been multiplied by 4. We have just illustrated here another property of multiplication called the associativity. This property is the fact that to carry out, for instance, the multiplication 4 times 2 times 3, I can first multiply the 2 and the 3 together, which gives 6, and so I get 4 times 6. Or I first multiply the 4 and the 2 together, which is 8, and so we have 8 times 3. And finally, using the commutativity of multiplication, I can swap the 2 and the 4, which gives 2 times 4 times 3. And I choose to carry out first 4 times 3, 12. So I get 2 times 12. In other words, when I have a multiplication with 3 or more factors, the numbers that are multiplied together, I can choose which 2 of these factors I multiply first.